Sabon shampoo.
So that is it. Come on guys. Fishball in the Philippines. I tried this fishball, fried fishball in the Philippines. I tried this. So what the lasa of this? This is very crunchy. Look. Oh, do you want this? Oh. Let's go and eat. I try. So good. The vinegar is not spicy but good compatible. Vinegar is fishball fried. I like this. I like this. So I buy this anymore? Any day, yeah. Any day. Okay. Take a day. I want to buy again. I like this. Very yummy. This is very delicious. You know? Do you want this? Oh man, it's so good. I love in the Philippines because of this. So I want to permanent resident in the Philippines. Thank you. Oh my, very nice, man. This is very nice, man. Very good. Very good. Woo. Do you want this? This is the one of favorite Filipino food. I don't know. This is first time eat. Not bad. Very good. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. So good, yeah. This is good. Very, very good.